Welcome to Research Hub. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly make tables in Microsoft Word. Find out how to start with a premium template. Quickly customize it to make an attractive, professional MS Word table you can use and reuse. To learn even more about MS Word tables and templates that can be used for tables, study the step-by-step tutorial. Let's start. 1. Insert a table. You can create a basic Microsoft Word table in one of two ways. So, in Method 1. The Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab, and then click the Table button on the ribbon. The Insert Table panel opens. Specify the number of columns and rows you need. You can always add or remove columns and rows later. 2. Draw a table. Or you can draw a table in MS Word. This is a useful feature if you want to create an irregular or more complicated table with columns and/or rows of varying widths. To draw a table, click Insert, Table, then Draw Table. With your mouse or trackpad, click and drag the cursor to start drawing your table. You can begin by drawing the outermost boundary of the table first. Then, click and drag the cursor to create columns and rows inside the table. When you're done, click anywhere outside the table. Here's an example of an irregular table you can draw using this feature. If you make a mistake, click Layout, Eraser to erase a line from the table. Click and drag the eraser along the line you wish to erase. The line that'll be erased appears as a thick, red line. Release the mouse or trackpad to erase. Click outside the table when you're done. 3. Convert text to tables and vice versa. Another way to create a table is by converting text to a table. This means you can take non-tabular data from a CSV or plain TXT file and convert it to a table. So, first, copy and paste the non-tabular data into your Word document. With the text selected, go to Insert, then Table, then Convert Text to Table. The Convert Text to Table panel opens. Specify the settings you wish to use. Click OK. The text is then converted into a table. You can also do the opposite, which is to convert a table into text. Select the cells or entire table you want to convert. Next, click on the Layout tab, then click the Convert Table to Text icon. The Convert Table to Text panel opens. This is where you'll decide how you want to separate text that's currently in different columns. When you've made a selection, click OK. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.